Actively explore STEM principles and experiment through trial and error with a larger-than-life lever. Introducing Gopher's LearnLever. Have students explore their curiosity. Hypothesize how much force is needed to lift a heavy load on one side by adding balls as the counterweight, or have students test how much weight makes the lever level. To begin, place LearnLever in a large open space. Let students watch as they move the fulcrum to the center of the bar and add the colorful balls to one of the buckets, seeing that load shift from one side to the other as the bucket becomes heavier. The lever's ABS construction makes it durable to last routine experimentation, yet lightweight for easy mobility. Bring STEM principles experimentation to life in your classroom with LearnLever, only from STEM Supplies.